I am titanium.
I am vanadium. This isn't always about you, this is about the periodic table of elements.
I guess you're right, and thank God Dmitry Mendeleev organized the elements in 1869 because it was really starting to get confusing.
You get confused counting to 4 and you're the fourth most common mineral on Earth, so make it make sense. Told you.
Well, at least I didn't get disowned by my family for being the lightest metal. You only have 23 electrons and protons and 28 neutrons.
You only have 22 electrons and protons and 26 neutrons, you have less than me. You know the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom because it is equal to the atomic number, while the number of electrons is usually equal to the number of protons.
Well, anyway, I have the best strength to weight ratio than any other metal, and you're a metal, so I'm stronger than you.
We're both used in metal alloys because of your strength ratio and my corrosion resistance. We're equally important.
Obviously, you are not that important though if you had to be discovered twice for someone to notice you.
Well, it was 1801 and Andres Manuel del Rio probably had too much on his mind to remember.
In 1791, William Gregor found me, and he only needed to do it one time.
If you were found in 1791, why didn't you get named till 1795? You are such an airhead who can't even tell the difference between hydrogen and helium.
Yes, I can. Hydrogen has 1 proton and electron, and no neutrons.
Yes, but do you know how many helium has?
Yup, it has 2 of everything, 2 protons, 2 electrons, and 2 neutrons. Because I majored in the study of the elements in college, you would know that if you weren't so mean, and I can tell you that there are 94 naturally occurring elements.
Oh, I'm sorry, I just didn't expect someone with such low density to be able to make it to college.
Well, I'm resistant to corrosion, so that makes up for it.
We are both resistant to corrosion. You really aren't that special.
Okay, well,
No.
I'm so important that I'm used in medical implants and missiles. What are you used for? Making trash cans?
I'm used in nuclear reactors and space vehicles.
Well, I went to college, and you didn't.
Yes, I did. I majored in the study of the periodic table.
Fine, then what are the rows on the periodic table called?
The rows are called periods and the columns are called groups families.
Weren't we both from the transition metals family?
Yes, and the periodic table has 18 total families, but there are too many of them to remember. The most important ones though are metals, metalloids, nonmetals.
What are metalloids?
Metalloids have properties of nonmetals and metals.
What do the numbers on us mean?
They're our atomic number and atomic mass. The table is organized by our atomic numbers.
My atomic number is 22, so that means that I am better than you once again, since yours is 23.
I'm praying that eventually you will get some common sense.
Why are we at a church?
I said I would pray to get you some common sense, so here we are.